What is up, you guys? It's me, Aja, and I am back once again with another vlog. Right now, it's literally like 7:30 in the morning, you guys. I cannot believe this is happening to me right now, okay?
Yeah, I'm just living for the moment, the moment, the moment, the moment, the moment. Yeah, I'm just living for the moment, the moment, the moment, the moment.
So, if you guys don't know, I work at evening time. So, sorry I got my bonnet on still. Go outside to start my car so I can leave work, and my car won't start. So I'm like, what the heck? And like during the winter months this year, my car kind of did the same thing. Like I would try to start my car, everything inside the car would turn on, but the car would not start. So that's happening again. When it was happening during the winter time, we thought it was maybe the cold cranking amps were like not working or something. I don't really know, but it ended up like stopped happening. My battery was doing fine, but today the situation came back. I called Les Schwab. I had my boss give me a jump start and drove to Les Schwab, and now, oh sorry, the lighting sucks. I was tired of sitting at Les Schwab, so I went on a walk. But I'm gonna head that way. Whoa. All right. I'm gonna head back that way, and I guess right now. But I'm just hoping they can figure out like what the heck is going on with my car. You guys see? I'm back at Les Schwab, about to it looks like my car still hasn't moved from the spot that I parked it in, so guess I'll be waiting, and I don't know. I'll probably talk to you guys a little bit later, depending on how long I'm here. Like, I'm hoping I'm not here for longer than like an hour, maybe less, because it shouldn't take that long to check my battery, right? I don't know. I don't know anything about cars, so maybe I should go inside. I don't know. I'm starting to think that the reason my car is still in the same spot is because they already checked my battery. Or maybe they checked my battery with my car sitting right there. I don't know. I only went on like a 5-minute walk, so I don't know what the fuck can happen in 5 minutes, but I almost just got hit by a car because I'm vlogging. Yes! Oh, I love my life. All right, you guys, so I'm back. I was tired of sitting inside. Like, I don't know, the smell of tires and butter popcorn is just the worst smell you could possibly smell, especially first thing in the morning. Like, I could literally vomit. So I came outside. I'm just sitting on the hood of my car. No home training at all, but almost 8:30. So I'm probably gonna go in there harassing Brandon or Corey and ask them how long this is gonna take, because this is outrageous and I'm ready to go home. Do you guys ever like go places and like pay really close attention to the names of people? Like whenever I call any restaurant or like store, anything like that. So like example, I called Les Schwab this morning, and like whenever they're like, hi, thank you for calling such and such place, my name is so and so, I always pay attention to their name. So when I come into the store, I'm like, hey, where's Brandon? Where's Corey? I talked to you on the phone. You better not lie. But yeah. So if you guys don't pay attention to people's names, you should, because that's how you know who you're dealing with. You know what I'm saying? So if I talk to Corey on the phone and then I get here and Corey and Brandon don't have the same answers, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Then Corey and Brandon need to have a conversation because Aja needs her car fixed. So it is what. Oh my God, this guy was pointing at me and I literally thought he was pointing at me, but he's pointing at the empty parking space. I was like, what did I do to you? Man, it is really early. I just don't have time for this.
Well, you're the next one, so she'll only need a few more minutes before they pull you in.
Okay, cool.
Okay?
Thank you. Oh, they're working on my car finally. It feels hella bomb outside. Finally my car is getting worked on. I'm so excited. I mean, it's not really getting worked on, but it's getting looked at. You know what I mean? Worked on, looked at, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna be fixed at the end of the day. How's that going?
Well, for some reason, battery's testing good, but this thing is dead, it won't start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because when I did the jump, it worked.
Fired right up.
Yeah.
I replaced the battery.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let me see how much the battery is. I'll give you a quote, okay?
Okay.
What year is this?
15? Did you charge it right now?
No.
Oh.
Just tested it.
So if I leave right now, it's not going to start?
Nope.
Fuck.
I don't know why it's saying good. It looks like, I don't know how old the battery is.
I'm guessing 2 years, 3 maybe.
2015. Let me see how much the battery from us.
Okay. Because when I go to start my car, everything inside the car turns on, but my car will not start. So what's the real problem? If my battery is fine, because my battery turns everything on, right? Right. So whatever thing that is supposed to start the car, that's what the problem is, I think. So maybe it's a starter. What is the starter? I don't know what a starter is, but I think that is the problem. Why would I buy a new battery if this battery is good? You know what I'm saying? Like if he tested it and this battery says that it's good, then why would I buy a new one when the one that I have is just fine? Maybe there's another problem other than the battery. ¿Sabes? I don't know.
And obviously, if I put a new battery in and it starts, then we'll know.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
And then if I get a new battery and it doesn't start, then it's something else.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want me to put the old one in, I can do that.
What do you think if the battery is not the problem, what could be the problem? Because what's gonna make your car start?
It's acting like a battery.
Yeah?
It's acting like a battery. Especially if you just jump started it.
Yeah.
Like I said, you can't go wrong really. If I put a battery in and it starts, then we'll know. You know? And then if it doesn't, then we'll go from there.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Let me double check.
No problem. Your key's right here. Just let me know.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You bet.
Brandon has to change my battery, but I want to know how long it may take.
Well, he's doing it right now, working on it right now. What kind of vehicle is it?
PSL 15.
I would say no more than 20 minutes.
Okay, I could do that. Out with the old, in with the new. Yeah, so, what's his name again? I forgot. I've been at the store for so long that I forgot his name because it doesn't, oh yeah, Brandon. Brandon is fixing my car right now. I think he's almost done. It's not? What do you think it is? What the hell is that?
It won't start either way. I tried jumping it too.
Okay. And then the starter, that would be like a mechanic kind of a thing? Okay. Yeah, I know, huh? Thanks. Okay, so I guess it's not the battery that's messed up in my car. Brandon put the new battery in and tried to start my car, and my car still did not start. So he just took out the new battery, and he's not going to charge me for it, obviously, because I don't need it. So he just took it back, and so now we're about to use some process of elimination. I got a jump start this morning, and that made it work. So maybe if I try to jump start it again, I can get it to start and get myself to the dealership, because once I get to the dealership, I'm good. I'm gonna go ask them to try to jump my car. I don't know. All I know is this is like a lot going on. Welcome to my vlog. The people at Les Schwab, I asked them to jump my car again, and they said no. I was like, what the heck? They're like, the guy that, Brandon, he's like, I already tried to jump it and it didn't start. Okay, we'll try it again. Like, what do you mean? All you have to do is put these little jumper cables on my car and try again. It's really that simple. But it's okay, because this man with this giant fucking truck just helps me. He just jumped my car. I knew I could jump my car to get it. I knew I could jump my car to get it to start, and I did. Thank you to this giant truck right here. So, the guy in the gold truck, I just want to thank you for jumping my car. I knew it was possible. The people at the freaking Les Schwab, he's like, no, I can't jump it. I already tried. Oh my gosh, who says that? I can't jump it again. I already tried. What are you talking about? Dude, I put the freaking jumper cables on my car, and then the guy attached them to his car, and within 5 seconds, my car was started. So obviously, your guys' little machines don't work. I'm gonna stop driving and vlogging, so I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so when I came to the dealership, I totally forgot about the fact that my car won't start, and I took the keys out of the car. So let's hope to God that this starts right now. Woo! Hey! We in business, boy! Yes! I'm pulling up to the service area, and we'll see what happens. Oh my god. See, this time I left the car running, so just in case they can't do anything right now, my car is still on. Oh my gosh, everything looks so different. You guys changed like all the buildings out here or what? This is like outrageous. Okay, I don't know who to go to, but I need a diagnostic on my car. Yeah. And they refused to jump my car. So I had to find like this giant truck to like pull this random guy over. It was terrible. But I'm here. And I'll put the keys in the car just in case it doesn't start.
Alright, let me go get some info off of it.
Okay.
And we'll get this in there.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, and then on here, I wrote the car won't start. I believe it was starter, you said. Have to jump start to get here. We'll see what's going on with that. I'm going to quote you, like I was telling you, $115 for diagnosis, but with your extended warranty, as long as they cover everything, that'll be covered as well. Okay, and then if they don't, you will be responsible for $115. Okay, put your signature on the bottom. And you also wanted facial on it?
Yes. I think Ruben is coming up in here.
Okay.
Can I get my charger out of my car?
Sure thing.
Okay, so since I have nothing but time, I'm going to go look at every single car lot in the Pasco Autoplex. So there's not that many, because there's the Ford, and then there's McCurley Chevrolet, and then West Coast Auto Sales, and McCurley Mazda, and McCurley Isuzu, I don't know, Isuzu. Yeah, them. I don't know, but we're about to go look at some cars. Ooh, maybe I'll get this shit. Damn, Zaddy! Tell me this car ain't filthy as hell though. Hey, let me cop one of these. Thumbnail. Hey, got a new whip. Psych. Okay, so I just finished going through the first parking lot at, what's this called? Corwin Ford. I just went through their first parking lot, and literally, I'm tired already. There are so many cars out here. Like, I get it, it's a car dealership, blah, blah, they sell cars, but Jesus. There are so many cars. How do people go to a car dealership and look at all these cars? Like, what? When I came to the car dealership to get my car, I knew what I came here looking for. But people do people really just come here and look around at cars? Because that is a lot of work. How do you decide? I think these are all like people's cars though. Oh no, these are cars for sale. Yeah. I think basically like everything over here, everything on this side of the Corwin Ford store, everything over here is a truck, basically. And you guys know, Aja loves trucks. This shit's icy, bruh. This shit's icy, dog. Oh. Okay, so I'm back at the service, like the service area where they're doing my car. They're facing my, well, looking at my car, I guess. But they have like the cutest little, what do they call this? Like a waiting room, I guess? This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy to me.
Yeah, everything's checked out.
Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is then. Do you think like maybe it's like electrical or something? Like,
It's got no draws.
oh my god.
We checked draws, we checked momentum, we checked the battery, it's fully charged, we passed the load test, everything was checked out.
That is bananas. That's so weird.
He's thinking some got left on and it drained the battery and
Yeah.
he jumps it and then it starts back up.
Mhm. Yeah, because the first time I got a jump, my boss jumped my car, and she has like a small sedan kind of a car. And then I got to Les Schwab, and then it didn't start anymore. And then when I got to Les Schwab, I had like a huge Ford truck, and then it got me here. And then when I turned off my car over at Chevy, I restarted it, and I didn't expect it to start, but it did. So I think maybe the jump from that giant truck was what made it better. But yeah.
You just need to be charged out.
Yeah.
I think you're okay.
Okay, cool. That's all that matters. If you say it's okay, then it's okay. Alright. Thank you. Okay, so I'm sorry you guys like had a horrible video just now, but I had to the guy came in here telling me about my car, and I had to start vlogging before he said anything. But basically, he said there's nothing wrong with my car. Like, everything checks out. My battery is good. My starter is good. Alternator, everything's good. There's no wiring issues. No nothing. All I know is that Stan said there's nothing wrong with my car. So if Stan said my car is fine, my car is fine. But, yeah. I don't know, you guys. What a day this has been. Hey, got my baby back, and we in motion. I'm so happy that everything just worked out. Literally, I still have no idea what made my car stop working. I really don't. But all I know is that God put in work, and he made sure that my car is 100% fine, no flaws, no nothing. And I'm happy. So, life will go on. I will still be able to transport myself to and from work and make money. So you guys will be able to see more of me because my phone bill will be paid. This was the most interesting vlog I've ever made. But I'm so happy my car is not messed up because this vlog would have taken a horrible turn. But I guess that's it for this vlog, you guys. I'm about to go home, eat some lunch, and hang out, probably take a nap or something. I don't know. But thanks for watching my vlog. You guys are the real ones. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Also, my social media will be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys follow me. And until next time, you guys, ciao!
Yeah, I'm just living for the moment, the moment, the moment.